Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Live Handmade, and today I'm here to invite every one of you to Useful DIY Challenge December 2020. This month's theme is simple. You can DIY anything you want for the coming Christmas, for the coming holidays. Anything that you'd like to make for your home, friends or family is welcome here. Show us the DIY process for the Christmas DIYs. My co-host this month is Antoinette from the channel Simple Yet Chic. She has this beautiful channel where she shares lots of DIYs, decor videos and also beautiful recipe videos. So make sure you check out Antoinette's channel Simple Yet Chic. I'll put the link above as well as in the description box below. I want to thank her for co-hosting this month's challenge with me. Let's get on to the rules of the challenge. It's very simple, and the first rule is in the title of your video, along with all the words that you use the words Useful DIY DEC 2020. I'll put all the rules in the description box of this video as well. Show us your process, how you started, what is your DIY and the final product and the way you will use it in the coming Christmas holidays. You should be subscribed to both the channels, that is MomDas Live Handmade and Simple Yet Chic. In your video as well as in the description box, mention the host as well as our channels, that is Mom from MomDas Live Handmade and Antoinette from the channel Simple Yet Chic, and also mention and give link to the playlist that I'm going to create for this challenge so that more people get to see all the videos that are there in this challenge. Now, the upload date and time, it is going to be 14th of December 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Just Google and ask what is 5 p.m. It will give you the conversion in your local time. I hope to see you all with wonderful ideas for Christmas DIYs on 14th December 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And I'm really looking forward to great ideas for Christmas, for decorating or whatever you feel like useful, anything that you want for the Christmas. Until my next video, please take care, be positive, be creative and be happy. See you all.